All right, everybody, I want to show y'all a Gator pit that this customer purchased yesterday. It was painted last week. He purchased it and picked it up and brought it home and actually seasoned it to my exact detailed instructions that's in my manual, which is what I suggest that every one of my customers do. He ran the gauges up to 250, 275. He does have gas assist. Notice that there's no paint off of the firebox. And that shows that he does have the gas to ignite his fire. This pit was used. There's the ash, burnt wood. You can see inside seasoned and some leftover food. Like some bacon to kind of add some grease to the grates. But this is what you do when you get a Gator pit, is you follow my instructions on seasoning your cooker when you first get it. And your paint on the firebox will not immediately come off. This is proof right here. This is our Gator pit stock 2032 that you'll see listed on our website. It's a beautiful pit.